Welcome all my dear student of SIBSC class. In previous lecture, we studied total differentiation and some important problem related to total differential. In this lecture, we are going to see partial differentiation, so exact differentiation or exact differential, and some important problems like this, and for some problems for homeworks. Now, in order to understand differential, exact differential, we have to consider again function f is equal to f of x y. This is a differential function in which x and y are two independent variable, whereas f is dependent variable. If this is the differential function, then obviously we get the differentiation of f, that is df is equal to del by f by del by x, keeping y constant, into dx plus del by f by del by y, keeping x constant, into dy. This is the differential equation. Okay. When df is equal to 0, we again write the differential equation del by f by del by x at constant y, dx plus del by f by del by y at constant y x dy, and this is exact differential equation. Okay. Now, again here the partial derivatives, when the partial derivative again the partial derivative, that is del by f by del by x and del by f by del by y, when these partial derivatives are again the function of x and y, then we can write m is equal to del by f by del by x is equal to, or m is equal to m of x y is equal to del by f by del by x, and n is equal to n of x y is equal to del by f by del by y. Okay. Now, hence the exact differential has, from this the exact differential has the form df is equal to m dx plus n dy. This is the format or exact form for exact differential equation. Okay. For the same function, that is f of x y, if the partial derivatives are again the function of x and y, then we can write del by square f by del by y del by x is equal to del by m by del by y, and del by square f by del by x del by y is equal to del by n by del by x. These are the second order derivatives of the given function, and these second order derivatives are commutative. Commutative means what? Both the derivative gives, that is del by m by del by y, that means differentiation of this m with respect to y and differentiation of this n with respect to x gives the same result, that is del by square f by del by x del by y or del by f by del by x del by y. Both the results are same, and hence second order derivative are commutative. From this we can write del by m by del by y is equal to del by n by del by x. This is the essential condition for an exact differential. Okay. Now, in order to understand this exact differential, we have to study some problems with the help of which we can very well understand the exact differential. For this purpose, consider the first problem. df is equal to 5x square plus 3y dy plus 3x minus 5y square dy. When we solve this problem, then we conclude that whether the given differential equation is exact differential or not. Okay. Suppose we have given a function. Now, we can compare this equation 1 with df is equal to m dx plus n dy. That is equation 2. Comparison between these two gives us m is equal to 5x square plus 3y and n is equal to 3x minus 5y square. When we take the differentiation of this m with respect to y, we get dou by m by dou by y, or this is equal to dou by dou by y and substitute the value of m, that is 5x square plus 3y, this one. Okay. Solve this differentiation. Differentiation of this 5x square with respect to y is 0 and differentiation of this 3y with respect to y is 3. Therefore, dou by m by dou by y is equal to 3. That means what? The differentiation of this m with respect to y, differentiation of this value with respect to y is 3. Similarly, when we take the differentiation of this n with respect to x, we have dou by dou by x in bracket, substitute the value of n here, 3x minus 5y square. Solve this differentiation, we have the differentiation of this 3x with x is 3 and differentiation of this term minus 5y with respect to x is 0. Therefore, final result is 3, that is dou by n by dou by x is equal to 3. When we compare or when we studied these two equations, we found that dou by m by dou by y is equal to dou by n by dou by x, because both the terms shows same result. Therefore, this condition is satisfied, and when this condition is satisfied, then obviously this differential equation is exact differential equation. Exact differential equation, and when condition is satisfied, the differential exact differential, then we can determine the function f from this df. Okay. Now, consider another example, that is df is equal to x dy plus 3y dx, or we can write this df is equal to 3y dx plus x dy, only interchange between these two terms. Okay. This is the given differential equation, and we just make some little bit arrangement. Suppose this equation, compare this equation with standard format of exact differential, that is m dx plus n dy. Suppose this is equation 2. Again, comparison between these two equations gives us value of m is equal to 3y and value of n is equal to x. When we differentiate this m with respect to y, we get 3 differentiation of this That means deba by deba y 3y, and differentiation of this term 3y with respect to y is 3. Similarly, if we differentiate this n with respect to x, we have the final result 1, that is deba n by deba x is equal to 1 and deba m by deba y is equal to 3. Here, when we observe or when we study these two terms, then it is found that deba m by deba y is not equal to deba n by deba x. This condition, essential condition for exact differential, is not satisfied because deba m by deba y is 3 and deba n by deba x is 1. Hence, this given differential equation is not exact differential equation and we cannot determine the function f. Okay. Now consider some problems which are very important for exam point of view, which is related to exact differential equation. The problem is like that: df is equal to y square plus y plus 2xy into dx plus x square plus x plus 2xy into dy. This is a given differential equation, and problem is, or question is, show that this differential equation is an exact differential equation. That means we have to show that deba m by deba y is equal to deba n by deba x. When this condition is satisfied, then the given differential equation is an exact differential equation. For this purpose, consider a solution given. Now, suppose this is equation 1. Now, compare this equation with standard format of exact differential equation, df is equal to m dx plus n dy, and compare equation 1 and 2. Comparison gives us m is equal to y square plus y plus 2xy and n is equal to x square plus x plus 2xy. Again, differentiate this m with respect to y. That is, take the differentiation of m with respect to y. We have deba m by deba y, which is equal to deba m by deba y. In bracket, the value of m is y square plus y plus 2xy. Solve this differentiation or differential. Differentiation of this y square with respect to y is 2y. Then differentiation of this y with respect to y is 1, plus differentiation of this term 2xy with respect to y is 2x. And therefore, the differentiation of this m with respect to y, that is deba m by deba y, is 2y plus 1 plus 2x. By similar method, we are going to differentiate n with respect to x, which is equal to deba by deba x, and put the value of n, that is x square plus x plus 2xy. Solve the differentiation. Differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x. Differentiation of this x with respect to x is 1. And differentiation of this 2xy with respect to x is 2y. Okay. That is deba n by deba x. Or simply we can write deba n by deba x is equal to 2y plus 1 plus 2x. We only simply interchange these two terms and we get this. When we compare the value of deba m by deba y with the value of deba n by deba x, then it is found that both the differential values are exactly same, and hence this essential condition for exact differential is satisfied and we can determine the value of function f. Okay. Now consider Second problem, show that the differential equation df is equal to e raised to y dx plus x e raised to y plus 2y dy is an exact differential equation. Show that this differential equation is an exact differential equation. For this purpose, we have to again show that the condition, essential condition for exact differential dm del by m by del by y is equal to del by n by del by x is satisfied. Again, consider solution. In this solution given del by f, give the first number to this relation. Compare this equation 1 with standard format of exact differential equation m dx plus n dy. That is, this is equation 2. Comparison between these two equations, we get the value of m is equal to e raised to y and value of n is equal to x e raised to y plus 2y. Okay. Now, differentiate this m with respect to y, that is del by m by del by y. Solve this differentiation, we have e raised to y into del by y into y. Okay. Then e raised to y as it is, and differentiation of this term is 1. Therefore, finally we have del by m by del by y is equal to e raised to y. Similarly, differentiate this n with respect to x, we have del by n by del by x is equal to del by del by x, put the value of n x into e raised to y plus twice y, or del by del by x solve this differential. When we differentiate this equation or this term with x, we have simply e raised to y, because del by x by del by x 1, and again del by y by del by x is therefore, and differentiation of this to y with respect to x is 0. Therefore, del by n by del by x gives the final value e raised to y. When we compare these two equations or two value, that is value of del by m by del by y and value of del by n by del by x, it is found that both the values are same, and hence the condition, essential condition for exact differential is satisfied. Hence the given differential equation is the exact differential equation, and from this we can determine the differential function f. Okay. Now, see one more problem. df, we have given a function df is equal to y square minus y plus 2xy dx plus x square plus minus x plus 2xy dy. Here we have to show that this differential equation is exact differential equation, and if this is an exact differential equation, here we have to calculate the given differential equation. Okay. So, solution given, give the first number to this relation. Now, we have the standard format of exact differential equation df is equal to m dx plus n dy. Give the second number to this relation. Compare these two equations. Comparison gives us value of m is this and value of n is this, that is m is equal to y square minus y plus 2xy and n is equal to x square minus x plus 2xy. Differentiate m with respect to y, that is del by m by del by y. Y square minus y plus 2xy is the value of this m. Solve this differential value differentiation of y square with respect to y is 2y, differentiation of minus y is minus 1, differentiation of this term, that is 2xy with y is 2x. Okay. This is the value of differentiation of m with respect to y. Similarly, differentiate n with respect to x, that is deba by deba x in bracket x square minus x plus 2xy. Again simplify this or solve this differential equation. We have differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x. Differentiation of x is with respect to x is minus 1, and differentiation of this term is plus 2y. Or we can write take interchange between these two terms, 2y minus 1 plus 2x. This is the final value of deba n by deba x. Again, compare these two equations, that is comparison between the values of deba m by deba y and deba n by deba x. It is found that both the values or both the differential are exactly same. Hence, the condition for exact differential, that is deba m by deba y is equal to deba n by deba x is satisfied. Hence, this differential equation is an exact differential equation. And when this equation is exact differential equation, obviously we can determine the function f. Okay. To calculate f, consider that sorry, compare the given equation. To calculate the f, compare the given equation. That means the equation is df is equal to y square minus y plus 2xy dx plus x square minus x plus 2xy dy. To calculate the value of f, here we already say that this the given differential equation is an exact differential equation because it satisfies the exact differential condition for exact differentiation. Okay. Now to calculate f, compare this equation with df is equal to deba f by deba x, keeping y constant, and we have to compare this equation with df is equal to deba f by deba y, keeping x constant dy. Okay. Comparison gives us deba f by deba x at constant y is equal to y square minus y plus 2xy, and deba f by deba y at constant x is equal to x square minus x plus 2xy. We know that this value is nothing but m, and this is the value of n. Now, when we solve this equation one by one, first of all integrate this equation. Integration of deba f by deba x is f, and this integrate, when we integrate this equation, we have x integrate. We are integrating this equation with respect to x. Hence, integration of y square is x y square. Now, integration of this term is minus yx, and integration of this term is plus x square y plus f of y plus c, where f of y is function of y only and c is the constant of integration. Okay. Now, here suppose this is equation first. Now, differentiate this equation with respect to x. When we differentiating this equation 1, we get delta f by delta x. Remember, we have with respect to y, delta f by delta y. Remember that we integrate this equation with respect to x, and now we are going to differentiate this equation with respect to y. We have 2xy minus x, then plus x square plus f of y. Now compare this equation with this equation, or simply substitute the value of y in this equation. Okay. Or substitute the value of fy from this equation, whatever it may be. We find that x square minus x plus 2xy, which is the value of n, that is delta f by delta y, is equal to 2xy, or simply rearrange the term x square, make interchange between these two, x square minus x as it is plus 2xy plus f of y. Okay. It is found that this term get cancelled with this term, and here f of y is equal to 0. When we substitute the value of f of y here 0, we have f is equal to x square minus x plus 2xy plus c. Okay. Sorry, this one here, substitute x square minus x plus 2xy is equal to 0. This is the given function. In this way, we determine the function f. Okay. Plus c, where c is the constant of integration. It is independent on x and y, hence it cannot be determined. Okay. Now I am giving you some problems for homework related to exact differential equation, and these problems you have to solve this problem by the same methods as we see here, as we already study here. Okay. The first problem for homework is show that the given differential equation df is 3x square y minus 6xy square plus y square dx plus x cube minus 6x square y plus 3xy square dy. You have to solve this problem at your home by the similar method. Compare this equation with standard format of exact differential, that is df is equal to m dx plus n dy. Comparison gives value of m is this and value of y is this. Again differentiate this m with respect to y and differentiating this n with respect to with respect to x. You will find that both these shows the same result, and hence the given differential equation is exact differential equation. Okay. Again show that the exact differential equation, that is 2x plus y of cos xy dx plus x cos of xy is equal to 0. Suppose this is a given differential equation and this is equal to 0, that is df is equal to 0. Now you have to show that this differential equation is an exact differential equation. Again compare this given differential equation with standard format of exact differential, that is m dx plus n dy. This is the value of m and this is the value of n. Differentiate this m with respect to y, that is delta m by delta y, and differentiate this equation n with respect to x, that is delta n by delta x. It is found that both the differentiation show same result and hence satisfy the condition for exact differential. And last problem for homework is 3 x in bracket x y minus 2 dx plus x square plus 2y dy is equal to 0, or this is the differential equation. When this differential equation is equal to 0, then this is exact differential. But in order to prove this exact differential equation, you have to show that it satisfied the essential condition for exact differential equation, that is del by m by del by y is equal to del by n by del by x. For this purpose, you have to compare this equation with standard format of exact differential equation, that is m dx plus n dy. Compare these two equation, value of m is this and value of n is this. Then differentiate m with respect to y and differentiate n with respect to x. When these two differentiations show same result, obviously the given differential equation satisfies the condition, essential condition for exact differential equation, and given differential equation is an exact differential equation. Okay, we shall stop here. Have a good day.